This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we're looking at the CXC 2023 question 6. Question 6 here reads that in this question, take pi as 22/7 and the volume V of the cone with radius R and height H has as volume equals a third pi r squared by the height. So the diagram below shows a sector OM Rn. O is the center, the radius is 12, and the sector angle is 168 degrees. Calculate the perimeter of the sector above made from the thin sheet of metal. So we need to find the arc length first, and this is the formula. So we're going to substitute our values. So it's 168/360 times 2 times pi is 22/7 and the radius is 12. Plug that into our calculator and that's going to give us 35.2 centimeters. Now we're asked to find the perimeter, so that's just here, the arc length. So the perimeter is equals to 12 plus 12, which is here, this is the radius 2, plus the 35.2 centimeters, this is also centimeters, equals to, which is 59.2 centimeters. And that's the answer. Part B, the cone is made from the sector in A by joining OM to ON as shown below. Calculate the radius R of the cone. So that means here is the arc length that we just calculated. And we got it out to be 35.2. So that is saying that the circumference is equals to 35.2 centimeters. And the formula for that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equals to 35.2. 2 times 22/7 times r, which is what we're trying to find, is equals to 35.2. So all of this, we're going to say r is equals to 35.2 over 2 times 22/7. Put in the calculator and we're going to get 5.6 centimeters. So the radius is 5.6 centimeters. So here we have part B, a coin, same part B, but we're looking at the second part of the question, height H of the cone. So we're going to find the height now. Well, let's look back at the diagram. So we need to recognize that OM is this, OM. So here is 12 centimeters. We worked out the radius as 5.6 centimeters. So we have a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is now, we want to find the height, Pythagoras theorem. So let's take that out. So we know here is 12, here is 5.6, and we want to find here. So we want to label first. So this is our hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. And the other two sides are the short sides. So the working is going to be 12 squared. Well, let's write down the formula first. So it is the hypotenuse squared equals to b squared plus c squared. So we're going to write 12 squared is equals to 5.6 squared plus 8 squared. So 12 squared minus 5.6 squared is equals to 8 squared. And that is going to give us, let's put it on the calculator. 12 squared is 144 minus 5 squared is 31.36. 31.36. The 8 squared, subtract that from 144. We're going to get 112.64. So h is equals to the square root of 112.64, which is square root of that is, let's clear this. That is going to be 10.6 centimeters. So the answer here is 10.6 centimeters. So we're asked now to calculate the capacity of the cone in liters. So that's the volume. And we were given the formula. The volume is equals to the third times pi r squared by the height. This is our diagram. We were able to work out that the height is 10.6 centimeters. We know the radius is 5.6 and the ON is 12 centimeters. Okay, so the volume is equals to a third times 22 over 7. The radius is 5.6 squared times the height, 10.6. So the volume equals to 300 and... Okay, I put it in my calculator. It is 348.2 centimeters to the third. So you're asked to give it in liters. So 1,000 centimeters cubed is equals to 1 liter. So 348.2 centimeters to the third would give us 0.3482 liters. And that's the answer. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We looked at question 6 on the May-June 2023 paper. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.